Hello everyone, myself Pranay, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology from BVCOE Delhi. So I was doing DSA in C++ before joining this, and I really want to learn a development skill. So I choose Tech in Brain Mentors. The learning experience was amazing. The teachers were very friendly. All the concepts were clear for me. So the real improvement, I would say that I made a resume worthy project for the first time, because I don't have any project which was I can add in my resume. So I would recommend this course to others because it clears all my concepts. Everyone should join this course who want to learn Web dev, because the amount of knowledge I get in just 1 month was amazing, and I would rate this course 10 out of 10.